Hi everybody. I know this is an unscheduled live. I just got some fun yarn mail and I wanted to share with you what I got and tell you a little bit about it. So I got two things. I got two things on Thursday. I hope you both all had a happy 4th, by the way. I didn't want to come and tell you about it yesterday because, 4th. But I'm so excited. I've been waiting to open these since Thursday. So let me open them. This is the first package, and I cut open the sides just so so I wasn't fighting with it on on video. But this one comes from Brenda and Heather Yarns, and let me show you what's in here. I already know, but I'm excited anyway. So this is yarn that I asked them for a project. Oh, look, oh my gosh, look, it came with a cute little pin. It's a rainbow sheep. Oh, I'm so excited. I love pins. They know me. I apparently have a reputation for being a pin collector. So that's so cool. Wait, I gotta show you the pin again. Look, it's a little rainbow sheep. I'm so happy. The camera's backwards. There we go. Little rainbow sheep. Okay, so opening the yarn. Yeah, I know, I geek over stupid things. Ooh, this is pretty. This is a gradient yarn. The color is Cyclone, and it's a huge skein. It's, let me see, it is, oh my gosh, 840 yards. The base of this yarn here, I'm gonna show this to you right here. Whoop, there we go. Can you see that? The tag? Okay, so this is Cyclone. It's on a base called Unicorn Light, which is, I believe, a fingering weight. And it is 65% superwash and 35% bamboo. So it'll work up really light and smooth and shiny. The bamboo gives it the shine, but it'll still be like stretchy. Hi, Gail. It'll still be like stretchy, and I'll have the memory that superwash or merino has. So I'm excited about that. I have a plan for this yarn. It is a gradient, and you can see that really dark gray. I think it actually gets darker than that at points. I'll have to show you when I get it in a cake so you can really see it. But it is, and I don't even want to unwind it because I'll never get it back together so pretty for the pictures. But it goes from like that really dark gray right there all the way to almost a white, like a really, really light steel gray. So the idea that I had for this yarn is, I'm probably going scarf because it is a lot of yarn. I'm going to crochet with it, and the idea I have involves wrapped stitches where you work a stitch, wrapping it around a group of other stitches. So I'm thinking I will show you guys how to do that and show you what I mean on Thursday when I do my lunchtime live. So hopefully you guys can tune in for that. And I will show you, but this is, oh look, the tag has a little picture of how the color changes. So you can see these are shawl balls, so they're intended for, knitting shawls. But if you see that triangle, you can see in a triangle shawl how the color changes from the dark gray all the way up to the almost white at the top. So I'm excited. I'm going to show you that on Thursday, I think. My dog's going insane upstairs, sorry guys. Hey Gail, can you hear me okay? I don't have my my microphone in. I'm just going off the phone microphone. So if you can't hear me, let me know. But now the next thing I want to show you is this one, which is from, let me cover up my address here, from Ficstitches yarn. And this is the most unique yarn club that I've heard of. It's my friend Brenda and her friend Carissa. I guess I could say my friend Carissa, I've met her now. But Carissa is an author and Brenda is a crochet designer. So they teamed up, and the yarn club is a story and then a yarn and pattern that goes with the story every time. It's quarterly. So you get the yarn, you get a pattern, you get a story. Oh, thanks, Gail. You get the yarn pattern story and a special gift, they say, a little accessory that is inspired by it. So let me see, I haven't opened this yet. This is the first thing in the package. It feels like it has yarn. Ooh, and it's got a button. I like buttons and pins. Okay, and this one says Summer 2020. So this is the summer package for 2020. And, ooh, there's something hard in there. I wonder what this is. This is hard, whatever it is. Okay, more wrapping. Let's see. I haven't opened this, so I have no idea what this could be. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. I bet this is gonna be broomstick lace because this is a giant knitting needle from Brittany, and I love Brittany. If you guys don't know, Brittany Needles is, here, upside down, there we go. Brittany Needles is actually the people who made our commemorative hook for the CGOA this year. So you can actually order those online. I don't know if they're up yet, but they should be soon. So it comes with this giant Brittany needle. It's 20 millimeters. And the only reason I can think this would be included in a crochet kit is if we are doing broomstick crochet. So that's exciting. Oh, I dropped the card. This kit includes, yep, here we go, a broomstick lace shrug crochet pattern by Brenda, a skein of, I'm gonna butcher this, La Jolla, I don't know, fingering weight yarns from Ba Yarn. And, oh, there we go, label upside down, there we go. And the color is Blue Magic, which is such a good name for this color because it's got like, it's got blues and little speckles of navy in there, and then like a creamy color. So yeah, this is so cool. This is gonna work out neat. Okay, let's see what else is in here. There is a wooden needle, size 20 from Brittany for the broomstick lace, and then a beaded bookmark. I haven't seen the beaded bookmark yet. And then the Unraveling the Madness of Adelaide Rourke by, okay guys, I love this author's pen name. Her name is Carissa, and she goes by C. Jane Reed. Isn't that awesome? I love it because her name's Carissa Jane Reed, so she's C. Jane Reed, which I think is hilarious. I mean, it's the perfect name for an author, right? Okay, so wait, that was just this one bag. Let me show you what was in. There's more. This is the book. So I was warned that this book is actually a much larger story than what they normally have, because this is like, I guess, 2 parts together. So it's not normally gonna be this big of a book. They're doing short stories going forward. So, and they're starting a new storyline with the next kit. So if you guys haven't bought this yet, you can start with the fall kit with a brand new storyline. And this is Unraveling the Madness of Adelaide Rourke by C. Jane Reed. So I'm going to be reading. I haven't had time to read in so long. And there is the beaded bookmark. Okay, wait, let me open this to get that bookmark out. Because there is the beaded bookmark. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look, it's got beads on the bottom and a little weight. And the weight says love. That's so cute. So that's the little accessory that comes with it. And I'm excited because I didn't think it would come with a needle too. So that's cool. I get to do some broomstick lace. So for this kit, I got it, and she sent it to me free. I got it to review for you guys. So I'm going to work up the pattern. So give me a little time. Well, I'll work up the pattern if I have time, but I'll at least look at the pattern. And I will have a review out for you probably in the next couple of weeks. Definitely this month, it'll be soon. And I wanted to tell you, Brenda is actually the featured designer in my newsletter this week. This next Saturday that's coming. She's going to be the featured designer. So if you're not subscribed to the newsletter, go ahead and subscribe. You can get to it from the sidebar on my Stitches and Scraps, the website, so stitchesandscraps.com. On the sidebar, you'll see the newsletter link. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe, and you get to learn all about Brenda. on Saturday. So that was everything I had to show you. On Thursday, I will have a swatch of this ready and show you how to do wrapped stitches. So stay tuned for that, and be sure to sign up for the newsletter. And sorry if my dog was on camera because she's been going crazy upstairs, probably a mailman or something. Anyway, I'll see you guys Thursday. Bye.